Welcome back to our Excel Mastery series. In this lesson, we're diving into custom formulas and named ranges, powerful tools that make your spreadsheets easier to manage and more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create custom formulas that simplify calculations. Use named ranges to make formulas clearer and more user-friendly. Apply these techniques to real-world scenarios. Let's get started. Named ranges allow you to assign a name to a specific cell or range of cells, making formulas more readable. Example data: product, price, quantity, total sales. Laptop, 800, 5, equals B2 asterisk C2. Tablet, 400, 3, equals B3 asterisk C3. Phone, 600, 4, equals B4 asterisk C4. How to define a named range? Select cells B2 or B4, the price column. Go to the Formula tab, click Define Name. Name it product_price and click OK. Repeat for C2, C4 and name it product_quantity. Now, instead of equals B2 asterisk C2, you can use equals product_price asterisk product_quantity. Benefit: this makes formulas easier to read and understand. Now, let's create a custom formula that calculates discounted sales. Example: discount calculation. Define a discount rate in a separate cell, e.g., 10% in cell E1. Use this formula to calculate discounted sales. Equals product_price asterisk product_quantity asterisk $1 Product_price asterisk product_quantity calculates total sales. $1 applies the 10% discount. Now, if you change the discount rate in E1, all values update automatically. Named ranges work well in functions like sum, average, countif. Example: total revenue calculation. Instead of using equals sum, D2, D4, use equals sum, product_price asterisk product_quantity. Benefit: if you expand your dataset, named ranges update automatically. To edit or delete named ranges, go to the Formula tab, click Name Manager. Select a named range and click Edit or Delete. And that's it. You've now mastered custom formulas and named ranges in Excel. Named ranges make formulas clearer and easier to manage. Custom formulas help you automate calculations efficiently. These techniques are essential for Excel power users. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next lesson.